Another job in. Mini bumper's had a bit of a tap. Just kind of broke it there. I think that air duct's got a bit of a crack in it. Sort that out. Sort that out. The side skirts broken here, 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 and then it's got a bit of a rough edge to that, so we sort that out. And the front wing's got no front wing, so we need to make a new front end for the front wing. Let's get to it.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. Drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Decamped to upstairs. Hotter up here. Right, so quick slug of coffee. We're just going to PVA both these moulds. Need to crack on, so no time for waxing. So we're just going to get them PVA'd. Put a nice big thick layer across them. We can get body worked anyway, so it's not like we need a nice smooth finish. I know it's probably unconventional, and there'll be people out there going, "Oh, you idiot! What are you doing that for?" Because I can, because it's me. This is what I do. Done. So I think we'll just tape the holes up, stop it all pouring through to the side. A little bit of a flange for any excess glass that wants to hang about over this side rather than the right side. I'll do it over a bit this side as well. I don't know why, I just think it just feels right. Yeah, that'll do. Job's a good one. Right, just take the rest of the stuff up.
Go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. When we fell apart just
Try and zoom in a little bit. In fact, let's do this little hole here. A bit awkward to tape from the other side because it's in that horrible V thing. So just a bit of that filatin wax and squidge that in there. That'll fill the hole and give me the shape I need. Everything else is taped up on there, so that'll do. Stop everything rolling through to the side. I'll start glassing.
go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
These holes are always kind of ripping out, so I'm going to put a bit of carbon Kevlar over the hole, just see if it can help stop it ripping out all the time. I mean, I suppose if they stop crashing, that'd help, but so these kind of part molds really. I didn't see the need to do a full mold because they never actually break. I'll say that they broke that bit, but they don't normally break anything past here. Can you see? Yeah, always seems to snap this front off. So to the part mold, there's no difference really. So we'll take these up. Might put a bit of put a bit of carbon Kevlar on there. Just need to put a couple of clamps in just to make sure these are down. I might just need a bit of tape on there, just hold that. So just crack on with that then. Right, so just get these gel coated up. Just going to gel coat from here round. I'll put a bit of a plate on the back of that, just to give us a foot.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love, at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try.
There we are, all done. Bit of carbon Kevlar over the bolt holey bits. We'll get that, leave that overnight, come back in the morning, and then we'll just trim that up, sand it back, prep it on the other side and just get it in primer. So, till tomorrow then. Grenade! Anyway, so everything's gone off. This is the next day now. These are all gone. That's done. That's done. So it's time just to peel everything off and get trimming.
At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
I've got to trim these down there. That one's done. That one's done and filled. That needs trimming. That needs trimming around that edge. And redo these holes. Fill the top. Fill that edge down there. And the bumper repair. Just need to kind of nib that off, a bit of filler, and get that bit of wax out of there. Well, that's this lot prepped. Just need to get it all dust off, sanded up. He's done there as well, and then we can get that all primed up. So we're nearly done.